2016 Ford Mustang GT350. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it for you guys today, almost fell on my face, is we got there's the stock converters there and there. We'll let you hear it before. And he bought this bolt-on X-pipe instead of the mid resonator. So we took the mid resonators off. Sorry guys, it's Saturday, I'm not awake. And we put this in its place, X-pipe. And he wanted it welded in the back, so we did that for him, right there. And there it is, X-pipe. And then it's still got the factory mufflers there and there. It's got fancy tips on it too. Built into the bumper, there and there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Okay. Go ahead. They're closed still. They're still closed. There we go. So they're 115 again. Much better. Yeah. This is what we took off. That's the factory X-pipe and factory resonators. And we did basically took the resonators out. And it is not an R, guys. Again, it is not an R. It's just a GT350. Yeah, it changed it up. Yeah, it sounds a lot better. There it is. Really nice car. Beautiful. I love the color of it too. It's a sexy car. I don't discriminate. I like any car and every car. Sounds so good.